for today's video is I'm going to teach you on how to play the basic chords of a guitar. So ayan guys, tapos na po ang aking pagtuturo ng basic chords on how to play guitar. So I hope po may natutunan po kayo ngayong araw. Thank you for watching.